So you're mining stuff to craft with and crafting stuff to mine with?
Uh-huh.
Did your dad write this game?
Mean.
Is this game popular with autistic people?
Why would you say something like that?
Because I'm starting to love it.
Come on, man, it's this way. Come on, give me that thing. Speed it up. He can't be this far back. There he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. Stop. So that's the guy, huh?
Yeah, that's him. Hey, man, remember me? I got something for your ass. Don't mess with time. You don't with time, mother.
I will mess with time. I will mess with time.
That's enough! Drop the gun, Rick!
Morty, I know you're too stupid to get this, but you're really f***ing this up right now.
Morty, you f***ing idiot!
You're a serious f***ing idiot, Morty. You basically killed us all. You're as dumb as a bag of sand. What an idiot! What a dumb Morty.
Who's stupid now, bitch?
Morty, we just got him back!
Good job, Morty. Let's go, kids.
What? What happened?
Oldest Rick trick in the book.
Fake gun, shoot me, and standoff. Brilliant!
Yeah. Good thing I saw that note.
That sounds fun. Let's set some boundaries with a spoiled control freak that thinks he runs the world and orders drone strikes to cope with his insecurity.
It's either that or more of this.
Third choice, Minecraft.
You like it now?
Gotta be honest, Morty. It's growing on me.
Notify the president.
What do I tell him?
Tell him Rick and Morty just blew off America.